A low credit score can quietly cost you thousands of dollars over your lifetime through higher interest rates, rejected loans, or expensive insurance premiums. The frustrating part? Most people don't even know why their credit score is low or how to fix it. The good news is that improving your credit score doesn't require magic tricks or shortcuts. If you focus on the right actions, you can start seeing real improvements faster than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through practical, proven steps to improve your credit score the smart way. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. This channel helps you make smarter decisions with your money through simple, practical lessons. We break down topics like budgeting, saving, investing, debt, credit, and long-term wealth building without hype or complicated jargon. If you want clear strategies you can actually use, you're in the right place. How credit scores work. Before fixing your credit score, you need to understand what affects it. Most credit scores are based on payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, new credit inquiries. The fastest improvements usually come from fixing the first two, payment history and credit utilization. Now let's break this down step by step. Step-by-step ways to improve your credit score fast. Step 1. Pay every bill on time. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Even one missed or late payment can seriously damage your score. If you're struggling, at least make the minimum payment on time. Pro tip: set up auto-pay or reminders so you never miss a due date again. Step 2. Reduce credit card balances. This is one of the fastest ways to boost your score. Try to keep your credit usage below 30% of your limit, and ideally under 10% if possible. For example, $1,000 limit, keep balance under $300. Paying down balances can improve your score within 1 or 2 billing cycles. Step 3. Don't close old credit cards. It may feel smart to close unused cards, but it can hurt your score. Old accounts help your credit history length and lower your utilization. If there's no annual fee, keep the card open and use it occasionally. Step 4. Check your credit report for errors. Many people are surprised by how common credit report errors are. Look for incorrect late payments, wrong balances, accounts that aren't yours. Disputing and fixing errors can sometimes give you a quick score boost. Step 5. Avoid applying for new credit. Every hard inquiry can slightly lower your score. While improving your credit, avoid opening new cards. Avoid unnecessary loans. Focus on strengthening your existing accounts instead. Step 6. Use credit consistently, but carefully. Credit scores reward responsible usage, not avoidance. Use your credit card for small purchases and pay it off on time. This shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. Improving your credit score isn't about quick hacks. It's about smart habits done consistently. Focus on paying on time, keeping balances low, and avoiding unnecessary mistakes. Over time, your credit score will follow. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab for more simple, practical money advice, and take control of your financial future today.